How's it going, adventurers? My name is Alex, and this is Adventure Time. Got some groceries from Walmart, filled up gas in my truck. We're gonna go hit the road and head to my buddy's property. Brap, brap. There goes a Mustang. What's up, guys? We just got here. I'm going to make some ramen. I got ramen in a cup, hot water, quick and easy tonight. Eat that. I'm gonna make a fire. We're gonna call her a short night. When I wake up tomorrow, that's when the action will begin. We'll get some on adventures. Got my coffee. We're gonna head on out of here and go get started with our day. Spoiled some water in my hot water heater. Got some oatmeal here. Easy breakfast today. Princess is gonna say hi. I use this for cooking more than I do anything. Typically camping, I have stuff that just needs to be rehydrated with hot water anyway. Lightweight, easier to move around. But it's just your basic electric water heater. I think I got it on Amazon for like 18, 20 bucks or something. You wanna say hi? No? Okay. I was helping my buddy move stuff out of the water on his property and found a few fish in there. Nothing too crazy going on today. I got this tent that I want to set up and camp in the night. It's 50 degrees now. It's supposed to snow in the morning. It's our first snowfall here in Minnesota. It does say it is rated for 3 seasons. So we're gonna test that and see how it goes. I will be sleeping with my 20-degree sleeping bag as well, so that will be able to keep me warm. So I got the tent up. We're gonna go pop in it, check it out. Then I'm gonna go bring the sleeping bag in here and we're gonna get it all set up. Well, it's not the biggest tent, but it's big enough to hold me, and that's all that matters. It does have quite a bit of ventilation in here, which is kind of nice. It has windows with a little plastic that goes across that. I did notice it has a little vent hole here. I do have a little bit of wood stashed up, but we're gonna go get some wood and get a little stockpile. I don't need wood to heat myself tonight, being that I'm in a tent, but I am gonna be using this wood to stay warm for a while, and I want to cook some food over it. Starting to get all those red coals down in there. That's what I'm looking for. I'm not actually using the fire to cook it. I want to use the heat from the embers, and that's what's gonna cook our food. I got a nice bed of coals going. You can see the red glowing right there. I'm gonna grab the pork chops and get them ready here. I'm just waiting for these logs to burn just a little bit longer so that smoke fades away, so I just have the heat. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. What I'm gonna make tonight is a dessert that I made on accident one night. I was just throwing some stuff together when I was out camping and it worked out really well, so I'm gonna show you. First thing you're gonna need is the camp cooker. You're gonna need a tortilla shell. You're gonna need graham crackers. You're gonna need marshmallows. And you're gonna need chocolate. Chocolate of your choice. I'm not gonna lie, guys, I may have butchered this a little bit. It's a little toasty. Borderline burnt. I'm willing to argue it. There's still some, see that spot right there? It's not technically burnt. So it's not all burnt, it's still some. Not my greatest of work, I'm not proud of it. Flavor's still there though. But I will redo it and I'll make you guys another one. Not today. I'm gonna finish this, I'm gonna let the fire burn out. Once the fire is burnt out, I'm gonna go grab my Switch. I'm gonna grab Princess. She's gonna try sleeping in the tent for the first time too. And then we're gonna call her at night. Hopefully it doesn't get too cold. She does bundle in my sleeping bag and she'll be sleeping in my armpit. So there's no way, shape, or form she'll be cold. I don't wanna hear anything from anybody. She's my cat, it's my child. It's 5:20 right now and it's currently 41 degrees. It's supposed to hit 35 by midnight. And then be in the 33s by the time sunrise. It's supposed to start snowing at 7 in the morning, so we'll see. Ideally, my goal was to wake up with a blanket of snow all over everything. That'd be kind of cool. Just crawled in the bed. It's actually minus sleeping on the ground. It's not that bad. She's a little shy of the tent. Doesn't really know what to make of it yet. What are you doing? I know, these are weird. You've never been in one before. We'll be fine. Oh. Alright. It's 8:47. I'm gonna call it. I'm gonna go to bed. See you guys in the morning. How's it going, guys? Figured I'd give you guys a little bit of an update. I did sleep in here last night. I woke up at like 6:37 in the morning I forgot to put my pad under my sleeping bag, so I was sleeping directly on the ground, and I was losing all of my heat throughout the night, so I was tossing and turning. I was just cold, and it was actually pretty miserable, I'm not gonna lie. But 6:30, 7 o'clock, I woke up, got some coffee, went inside, grabbed my mat. I brought my mat out here. When I woke up, unfortunately, there was no snow. The whole point of this was for me to wake up and be like, oh, hey, Snowy Kingdom coming out in the New World, blah, 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 whatever. It wasn't like that. It was just a little bit of rain. It was freezing rain. It wasn't quite snow yet when I woke up, and it was dark. Wasn't great. I guess I should have filmed some, but I was cold. I'm not going to lie. I wanted to go inside. I will be trying it again tonight. I got my foam under here. Realistically, I wouldn't be hiking with this equipment. I wouldn't have this sleeping bag or this foam mat with me. I would have a thinner version, but it would still have the same properties, the same warmth properties. I would still have a sleeping bag that'd be rated 20 degrees. The mat would just be a different mat. As far as the weather goes, it's pretty chilly. It is 34 degrees out. I think it's supposed to get down to 28 tonight, so it's going to get even colder. I did sleep with the face mask on. But for the sake of this video, I am going to wrap it up. I'll show you guys a little bit of outside. I will be doing a spin-off on this video, which will be solo camping outside for the night.